Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Guys, this is a real LS5 454 car with a build sheet. Very cool car. It's out of Mississippi. I bought it from a guy. This is an older restoration car. There's some stuff you can pick on it, guys. It's definitely a driver car, but a ton of options documented on that build sheet as well. I bought it from a guy. He did not restore it. It's an older restoration. He figured it was 20-25 years ago since the car was restored. I guess when he bought it, I guess the car came out of a museum. It had been sitting in a museum a long time, and then he bought it, drove it, had some fun with it, and matter of fact, he sold 2 Chevelles at the show I was at. But this is the factory color combination, orange flame, factory white vinyl top, factory white interior car. It's also a factory operable cowl induction hood car, all on the build sheet for this car. Factory air, and again, a true LS5 454 car. You can nitpick the paint, guys. A lot of stuff is original. Sorry, I feel like I'm losing my voice here. Again, the chrome's original. Most of the stainless is original. You can see some touch-up marks. There's definitely some stuff you can definitely nitpick in the paint. But it is a real documented car. I love this color combination. Cowl hood does work. A couple little things. I know we got to check the gas gauge. Unfortunately, Steve, my mechanic, is off this week, so hopefully when he gets back next week, we'll get right to it. Air car, tach and gauge car, all documented right on the build sheet, guys. I think all the glass, except for I believe this is in a replacement front windshield, but the rest of it's factory soft ray GM glass in it. Car's got a good look. I jumped in it and drove it. Again, original rear bumper. The nice, and again, I don't know what somebody's going to want to do with it. This guy left it alone and drove it. He loved it like that. You can buy everything for this car. It's all available. But he just wanted to leave it alone. They're straight down the sides. I know it's had new quarters put on it. And if I remember right, I think they put a, sorry guys, I think maybe the driver's side rear floor pan has, I think they put a floor pan in it. Sorry guys, got a traffic jam here. Good, like I say, good looking car. Cooper Cobras all the way around it with a 15-inch factory correct SS wheels. It is, this is not a matching numbers engine. It is a factory LS5 454 car. I believe this is a 73 454. Factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air. Yes, the air works. Now, when you look in here, I think this is your original paint, guys. Outside was painted one time. Again, this is the original color. Factory, a functional hood. It's got the chrome valve covers and factory correct air cleaner. 400 turbohydramatic trans. Again, a couple little touch-up marks. This is a remote mirror. Original door handles. Again, factory soft ray glass still in it. I think this is original paint, guys. You can see original door sticker and everything still on it. Factory white interior. Now those sill plates have been replaced. Bucket seats, console, tilt wheel or tilt column. Showing 32,000. I'm sure that's 132. Factory tach and gauge car. Again, the fuel gauge isn't working. I'll have Steve check that. Blower motor works. It's got an aftermarket Retrosounds radio. Dual exhaust. It's a factory 12-bolt F41 rear suspension with the original 331 limited slip rear end. Like I say, I think this is original paint, guys. It's all spackle coated in the trunk here. And again, here's your original build sheet. You can see the car went to Hughes Brothers Chevrolet in Kansas City, Missouri, with all the options. Pretty darn cool car. Like I say, you can definitely pick it, but it's real. I got some pictures of the bottom of the car. See that rear sway bar? That's factory, part of the F41 suspension. Like I say, pretty cool car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of that website. Watch our social media. Watch our YouTube. Air blows cold. I'm happy to go ahead and shut and pin that hood. Again, you see the flapper closed. Tach works. Like I say, the fuel gauge we're gonna have to check. Sound and big block. Power's up. If you're getting the station, oh, it's got it in the sometimes up against there. It's tough to get a station. I know the blower motor works. It's got the antenna in the front windshield, guys. Doors open and close real nice. I think we got a blinker out on this side. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.